Cart Website Builder Complete Tutorial for Beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website with Cart Website Builder. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. So when you're on cart.co, you can choose a starting point right here or select any of the above categories to narrow things down a bit. You can also choose a blank page if you'd rather start from scratch. Here it is, blank page. So guys, let's imagine that you are doing landing page, and you need to choose any of those beautiful templates. You can choose this one or any another. Just for this video, just for an example, I'm gonna choose this one, select this template, and now I can edit it. I can click on this text. So guys, the main idea, the main way how to work with this website is basically if you want to edit some element, you just need to click this element, for example this site title, clicking, and you can delete this text. You can write whatever you want here, for example welcome to my website. Also here you can check this out, these settings, how to for example make this text bold. You need to put these two things like this and in the end, and as you can see my text is now bold. I can remove this and for example do it italic like this. Now you can see it's italic. So very interesting way to work with text. I really like this about this website. Also I can delete the whole element like this and add a new one. With this button I can add text, image, video, audio, gallery, timer, list, buttons, links, icons, table divider, and some premium features. Or I can just add a container right here. But let's begin with containers that we already have. Images, you can upload an image from your computer right here. Set a title, alternate text, link, optional. You can work with appearance, height, basically the size, yes, of this element, position, shape. Also we have such buttons like redo, undo last section I mean, and then redo, then preview animations if any, so also switch to mobile view like this. You can work with this website to do it more friendly for mobile view, also optional, and publish this website, and more actions here. Publish, start over, background page. So background is kinda necessary. For example, I have gradient, image, we can have just color, and we can as you can see, choose any color. But I think this looks not really good, so let's undo. So as I already showed you, you can work with this text, or you can for example add image right here. And or for example you can add buttons. Also you can work with button label here, for example subscribe button, icon of the button, for example let's let's choose heart. Yes, why not? Subscribe and heart icon, very nice. And the link of the button, so basically the function of the button, color also, and also you can, for example, put list here, so you can work with this list the same way how you work with text. Also you can manage container stuff. Just click on this section. Container is like a section in this website, so you can see first section here, next one, next one. So the website is divided into several sections, and you can click on this section, choose type, columns for example, or just default. Work with sizes, with alignment, with some options, and of course with appearance, with background for example, and make another color, upload image from your computer. For example, let me upload some image, for example, where it is. No. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, accept, done. But I need to fix this section right here. Parallax, I can fix it, or off. Okay, so done. Also, as I already showed you, you can add a new container just if you need the new one, if you think that there's not enough. So, and when you're done editing your website, you can publish it like this. Need to have an account to be able to publish it. Also, you need to create site title, what gets shown at the top of the browser window. So basically here, yeah, this is title, and description, a brief description of the site, and what's usually used in bookmarks, search engine listings. Also, you need to connect your domain here. Some settings, media stuff, to publish it. So guys, I think that in this video showed you enough of the basics of working with this website. So I think that I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you soon.